Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technically Explained. So far in inverting operational amplifier configuration and non-inverting operational amplifier configuration, we have been applying a single input to the input terminal. Now in this lecture, we are going to apply multiple inputs to the input terminal and we will see how this configuration acts as a summing amplifier. Again, we are going to use the concept of virtual short or virtual ground, which means that if this terminal is grounded and it has a voltage of 0 volt, my this terminal here will also be having a voltage at 0 volt, which means that I am going to have a voltage of 0 volt over here. And because the input impedance of this operational amplifier is very high, so the current flowing into the operational amplifier is going to be 0. Now I am going to apply the KCL at this node. Let's suppose this is my node A and I am going to apply a KCL over here. So I am going to suppose that I have I1 current flowing in this direction. Similarly, I2 current flowing in this direction and I3 current flowing to the resistance R3. And I have IF current flowing to the resistance RF. Now what I am going to do is to apply a KCL at node A. And by applying KCL at node A, I am going to get I1 plus I2 plus I3 will be equal to the IF. And now if you can have a look, I1 is actually equal to the V1 minus the voltage at node A divided by R1. But since we have a concept of virtual ground, so this voltage at this terminal will also be 0. So we are going to have a 0 volt voltage over here as well. And that's why the current I1 flowing to here will be V1 by R1. So I can write V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2, this is my R1, this is R2, plus V3 by R3 is going to be equal to, this is 0 minus V0 divided by RF. So this will be 0 minus V0 divided by RF, which means that I am going to have V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3 equals minus V0 by RF, which means that V0 will be equal to minus RF into V1 by R1 plus V2 by R2 plus V3 by R3, which means that V0 will be equal to minus RF by R1 into V1 plus RF by R2 into V2 plus RF by R3 into V3. So this is going to be my equation for the output voltage of this summing operational amplifier. Now if we have R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to some value which is R, let me write over here. Now if we have R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3, then we are going to have V0 is equal to minus RF divided by, let's suppose it is equal to the R. We are going to have minus RF divided by R, V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now suppose we have RF also equal to R. So you have R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to R, and this R is also equal to the RF. We are going to have V0 is equal to minus V1 plus V2 plus V3. So now this configuration of the operational amplifier is acting as a summer, and this is going to sum the input voltages. So at the output we are going to have the sum of the input voltages V1, V2 and V3. Now if you can see, we have a negative sign over here, and I can remove this negative sign by converting and inverting an operational amplifier to this summer circuit. So I'm going to connect an inverting operational amplifier over here, and I'm going to have a resistance, and that will be connected to the negative terminal, and the positive terminal is going to be grounded. So I'm going to ground the negative terminal and connect the output of this as an input to this inverting operational amplifier, and I'm going to have an inverting operational amplifier over here. Now let's suppose this is going to be my VO2. Let's suppose I called it as VO1. Now VO1 is applied as an input voltage to this inverting operational amplifier. Now this is my resistance R1 for example, and this is again my feedback resistance. Now if these two resistances are equal, if RF is equal to R1, the output voltage is going to be equal to this output voltage VO2 is going to be equal to minus RF by R1 into the input voltage, which in this case is VO1. But since RF is equal to R1, so VO2 will be equal to the minus VO1 because RF by R1 will be equal to 1. So in this case, this voltage is going to be the positive sum of these individual voltages. So in this case, we are going to have VO2 is equal to the positive sum of the individual input voltages. So let me name it as equation 3. So this is all about the operational amplifier configuration. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you.